Hari Om. Today we are going to learn Kapalbhati Kriya. In Hatha Yoga we have 6 main cleansing techniques called Shatkriyas, and one of them is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, a practice that purifies the respiratory system and awakens the mind. Kapal means head or forehead, and Bhati means shining or illuminating. The ancient yogis taught that when the breath is cleansed and a prana is flowing freely in the body, the mind becomes steady and radiant. Over time, practitioners also observed that Kapalbhati deeply detoxifies the lungs and prepare our respiratory system for Pranayama. Traditionally, it was practiced purely as a Kriya for purification, but because it is so effectively energizes and regulates the breath, in modern time, it is also considered as a form of Pranayama. That's why you will often see many yoga sadhaks starting their Pranayama practice with Kapalbhati Kriya. It is simple, quick, and powerful, creating both inner clarity and outer glow. First step to do Kapalbhati Kriya is your sitting posture. You can sit in any comfortable asana. You can sit in a cross-leg position or Ardha Siddhasana, Padmasana, Siddhasana, whichever you know. And those who are not good fit for sitting over a floor, they can sit over a chair with a straight spine. Now make sure those who are sitting over a floor, you are keeping bolster under your hip. Any cushion will work, so that you can sit with a straight spine effortlessly. So this is your posture. Your spine is straight. Your shoulders should not come forward. So how does shoulder come forward? See, when you are going for Kapalbhati Kriya, you are applying Chinna Mudra like this, placing it above your thigh. Now, most of the time what happens, people slide their hand forward. So look, the moment I slide my hand forward, my shoulder comes down. That's why always roll the shoulder, keep elbow close to the torso and palms are landing above thigh. Your spine is straight. So this will be your fixed posture. Step 2. Remember one thing. Whenever you inhale, your belly expands out. And whenever you exhale, your belly goes in. This is a fundamental of breathing. So in Kapalbhati Kriya, what you are doing, you are taking one deep breath in, then you exhale that breath completely. And the moment your exhalation ends, you start exhaling actively through your nostril. That's how Kapalbhati Kriya happens. Few things very important to keep in mind when you are performing Kapalbhati Kriya. That you are not going to over jerk your body like this. No. Keep body stable, facial expression very calm and composed. Engage your nostril, engage your stomach and let Kapalbhati happen. It's very simple. How do you clean your nostril every morning? Same force you have to apply, right? Number 2 is intensity. You take your palm under the chin. If your exhalation taps on your palm, that means your intensity is right. Now, if you take your palm here and your exhalation is not even reaching here, that means it needs more force. And there are 3 pace of exhalation in Kapalbhati Kriya. First is for beginners, second is for intermediate level, and third is for advanced level practitioner. Coming to those who are beginners, you have to exhale 1 stroke in 2 seconds. Those who are intermediate practitioner, they will be exhaling 1 to 2 times in 1 second. And those who are advanced level practitioners, they will be exhaling 2 to 4 times in 1 second. Now, I am giving you example of first pace, which is beginner level exhalation. You take a deep breath in, you exhale it completely. The moment exhalation ends, you start exhaling through your nostril. Switching to intermediate level practitioner, taking a deep breath in, exhaling it, and the advanced practitioner, deep inhalation, exhaling it, See, during whole practice, my body was calm. There were no jerks. Facial expression was relaxed. Only 2 things were engaged. One was nostril and second was stomach. By now you have understood what's the structure of Kapalbhati Kriya, how we practice it, things we have to keep in mind, and what's the posture we carry. Now most important part, duration. How long one can practice Kapalbhati. As I said, it is pranayama, it is Shatkriyas. You should not overdo it. So do 4 to 6 rounds only of 40-40 stroke when you are a beginner. When you are at intermediate level, do 4 to 6 rounds only of 80-80 strokes. And when you are at advanced stage, go for 4 to 6 rounds, just double the stroke, means 160. And that's sufficient for your abhyas. Best time to practice Kapalbhati Kriya is early in the morning. And you can practice it before asana abhyas or before pranayama abhyas, both are fine. And there are few conditions in which you have to avoid practicing Kapalbhati Kriya. Avoiding periods, pregnancy, migraine, epilepsy. If you have ulcer or hernia, simply avoid it. If you have gone through any stomach surgery, avoid it. If you are going through severe back pain, simply do not do it. And those who are going through high blood pressure, you can do Kapalbhati Kriya, but at the very slow pace. Means at beginner level, you were exhaling 1 stroke in 2 seconds. In condition of high blood pressure, make it 1 stroke in 5 seconds. That's how you can practice. That's the whole structure of Kapalbhati Kriya. I hope you understood it and it will help you in self-practicing. But if you want guidance of experienced teacher and start your yoga journey under them, then you can practice with us. I'm sharing the web link, which is ggy.adhyatmyog.com. You can practice under us in our beginner batch and start your yoga sadhana. Hari Om.